Well, I'm stuck. I hit a tricky issue trying to implement auth for WePaint AI. So I thought in this video, I'd walk through some ideas and approaches you can take when you get stuck vibe coding on a hard problem. Number one, the Dr. Strange approach. Make sure that you have a git commit at a good spot where you can try over and over again to fix the issue. If things start to go downhill, just cut your losses and try again fresh. Sorry, friends. You can see here what I mean with WePaint AI. I have multiple branches where I've spun off and tried different attempts to implement BetterAuth with Convex. Once LLMs take a wrong turn, it's very difficult for them to course correct. Number two, split it up. Everybody talks about one-shotting, full apps, this and that. LLMs are just like you and me. They do best if you split things up into small chunks, small problems. And so if you're trying to tackle something large and that's not working, think about how you can break it up. Delicious. Number three, context. Give the LLM more context about the issue you're trying to solve. I have three examples of how to do that. You can use git ingest, which is super clever because if you happen to know a repo's GitHub URL, for example, the problem I'm trying to solve is with integrating BetterAuth and Convex. So here's an example repo. I swap out the main domain and I'm already being generated a markdown file that I can copy and paste into my LLM to provide it with example patterns. This can be hugely helpful. Next up is Context 7, which is an MCP tool. So you can install it on Cursor or Claude Code so they can automatically reach out and grab these LLM-friendly doc formats. You can also come to their website and retrieve them for copy pasting. Finally, number three, Firecrawl MCP server. If you can't find any of the documentation or patterns that you need in LLM-friendly formats, still, you're going to want to give them a URL and use a tool like Firecrawl so that the LLM can reach out and retrieve the data. Number four is utilize the LLMs to build debugging tools within your app. You'll see what I mean by that by using the story told through my X profile. So, actually, this is just this cool telescope that my family bought me for Father's Day. But coming up next, you'll see here's where I wanted to start implementing Convex Auth and started to run into some issues pretty quick. You can see I try to build some debugging tools within the app that help me to log out what's happening. I actually added a lot of debugging tools. Here's more. And here's me getting quite frustrated because, I'm still having issues and I'm still debugging, but this can definitely help. If none of those other ideas work, usually I resort to taking a nap. Time to fix auth.